Okay, so we're on zero start mode, fully charged. Let's see what the top speed is. It claims to be 45 km/h top speed. So if we're going to get that top speed, it's going to be right now. Good acceleration. That's the top speed. The display is saying we're going 50 km/h. Woohoo! Oh, I tell you, very fast for. Whoa! Oh, that was fun. So there's actually a hill up here, so we'll see what it's like handling on the hill. Oh, just to give you guys a quick idea what the acceleration is like. So I'm going to press it right now, and you can see how quick it actually takes off. That's zero start as well. So this is the hill here. We'll do zero start and see what it's like crawling up this hill. Whoa! The 500 watt motor is having no issue at all getting me up this. I must say I actually like this scooter. Woohoo! Not a problem at all getting up a hill like that. Suspension's actually doing quite a good job, considering it's just like a spring suspension. You have the front drum brake. You also have the front electronic brake as well. The only thing that I'm not used to is the handlebars are a little bit narrow. I'm kind of used to the Varla where it has kind of big handlebars, which gives you a bit more stability. But overall, it handles pretty decent. I think the 10-inch tires, the way they're off-road and on-road tires, definitely make the ride a good bit more comfortable. Pretty impressed with it, I must say. I'm very happy with it. I never thought I'd say this, but price-wise compared to the Xiaomi, my Xiaomi M365 Pro, they retail for around 550, 600 euro. You don't get any suspension. You get a top default speed of 25 km/h. Compared to this one, which is just over the 600 euro mark, but you also get the suspension. You also get a really good top speed. I gotta say, value for money. If I was to buy a first time electric scooter, it would probably actually be this one, because you have everything you need. You have a really great top speed, you have 10-inch tires, you have a front drum brake. I think the Xiaomi M365 Pro is a brilliant starter scooter, particularly if you're somebody that likes to do modifications, because you can do so many modifications with the Xiaomi M365 Pro. But for this, you actually have an all-in-one package, I guess you could say. I would probably get wider handlebars for this actually. The range on it as well is a claimed 45 km range. I'm probably going to test that at some stage. Okay, so we're in the local park here. There's a hill just over here. We'll go up the hill and see what it's like. This hill is a little bit steeper. We're on kind of a rough ground here. Tires are very grippy indeed. So here's the hill here. It's a little bit steep. We're going to do zero start and see what it's like getting up. Oop. It's getting us up, no problem, and it's also increasing in the speed. Yeah, very impressed. The tires have kind of like a cool racing noise coming from them. So my overall thoughts of the Bogist C1 Pro is that it's an absolutely fantastic beginner scooter. It has everything. It has the suspension, it has the great speed, it has really comfortable deck. It pretty much has everything there. It has plenty of power going up hills. It comes with 10-inch hybrid tyres. How many starter scooters have that? Not a lot. Most of them come with the 8.5-inch tyres. It is an absolutely brilliant scooter. I can't fault it. Well, we'll be doing probably a range test on this. I'm going to be definitely testing this in the rain. So all these things are going to be tested because I like to think that what the manufacturers say are actually true. So that's what I do on this channel. So go ahead and subscribe if you love electric scooters just like myself. Click on the videos that are showing up on screen right now, and I'll talk to you in the next video.